Hey fellow traders, I'm Heinz and welcome to another video from SIC Forex. And in today's video, I'll be doing another unbiased review of the best-selling Forex EA on the mql5 marketplace. However, before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please drop it a like and also subscribe and share it with others to help grow the channel. Now, our featured video for today, which is currently ranked #1 on the mql5 marketplace, is the Gold Reaper. And the Gold Reaper has been released since February and has now shot up to first place. It's been released on the 1st of February 2024 and is currently sitting at over 200 purchases per month. So if those 200 purchases were at $5.99, that means the author is able to generate over 100K just from Forex EA sales. Now, it's been designed to be prop firm ready and works specifically trading on XAU USD or spot gold against the US dollar. Now, I'm not going to go through all of the details. You can do that in your own time. But what I like to look at is all the live verified performance of the EA, which we can check and have a better idea of how the bot actually trades live in the market. Because of recent developments in the world, gold robots have become very popular because of the high liquidity that the Forex robots can generate on this precious metal pair. So if we look at the author's profile, and he's been creating or developing EAs for the past 15 years, we'll see a wide selection of different EAs at different price points. On top of this, we'll see his other very popular Gold Trade Pro, and he's currently doing a combo where you have the Gold Reaper and Gold Trade Pro trading together on one account. The one that really stood out to me is the one with a low drawdown, which has already generated a 480% return with a maximum drawdown of 19.9%. There's about total deposits of 3,700 in the account, and since 2022 or 88 weeks, he's been able to generate 3,200 in profit. Now, one of the big questions about the Gold Reaper is it uses no martingale or no grid style. This means each trade has a set stop loss and take profit. However, it does use multiple trades to generate such a high return. So if we look at the specific performance over the months, some of the months were in the negative. Because you aren't using martingale or grid, this means you're not risking the whole account. However, some months might be negative. If we look at the equity and drawdown graphs, we'll see that the balance curve and equity curve never more make these deep rows or big drawdown periods because it doesn't use those risky strategies. Quite the opposite, we'll see that the equity graph, which is green, is often located above the balance graph, which is marked in blue. And because of this, you are able to limit your drawdown and potentially use the bot in the prop trading environment. Now, just having a signal showing how the robot works for me isn't enough. That's why I like to do further research and also try and find different myfxbook accounts. The reason is I don't just want the author's results, I also want to see other traders like myself and you guys using the robot live in the market. So the first one is on a demo account and the signal is called the Gold Reaper Extreme. Now this one has generated 54% absolute gain in approximately 4 months. All this adds up to $2,733 return or $688 if we work over the 4-month period. So this looks very impressive with a low drawdown of only 7.14. So overall, we've now found one author that is trading the robot live in the market. However, this is on a demo account. And for those of you that have been trading multiple weeks, months, or years, know that the demo account might not often replicate the real ones. So from this, I then like to look for other signals and specifically focus on robots trading on real accounts. Other real accounts will give us the best indication of how it would be to trade it with our own money. And you'll see there's quite a few different signals available showing us how the bot is performing on different brokers and different traders. But the one that stood out for me is the one that is on a real account. Remember, if somebody is trading it live on a real account, we could potentially also replicate those results on our own trading. Now, this is a GBP USD account for IC markets, and he has been running the robot since the start of April. Remember, this is one of the combo offers where he uses the Gold Reaper and Gold Trade Pro together. And this combo has an absolute gain of 15.43% with a very low drawdown of 2.68. Or in other words, it's making a very healthy return on this account, even though we can't see the balances. So then I move on to my Metatrader 5 and ran the test for myself. It does take quite a long time because my 24-month test took over 35 minutes to complete. But in the end, we'll see that the bot on a 100k account using the prop firm ready set file after 6 months was able to reach the first phase target of 10%. It then continued on to generate over $56,000 in return on this 100k account using the prop firm ready file. So what this means is approximately 56% return over the 24-month period, or around 28% per year. If we look at some of the other statistics that does provide us, we'll see it does stay with a very low drawdown, making it an ideal robot for the prop trading account. What we can see from the other statistics provided by MetaTrader 5, it predominantly places trade according to this broker server time during the USA session. The start of the US session is signified during high liquidity and also volatile markets, so the bot tries to take advantage of these large moves that is during this time. If we look at some of the settings of the Gold Reaper EA, we can see that it has been designed with prop trading in mind because it has lot sizing settings that are determined according to total drawdown. So for this example, the maximum drawdown or maximum total drawdown is set at 9%, and the set maximum daily drawdown is only set at 4%. Now, one of the key things that you need to take note of if you are planning on trading Forex EAs within the prop environment is that you'll often get flagged if you use exactly the same orders as other traders. For this reason, it does provide us with multiple trade frequency options. And then on top of this, you also have the option of randomizing your entry, exits, and take profits. What this does is it gives you the opportunity of making your trades look a little bit different to that of other traders. And this can be very advantageous because now you can transform the way that the robot interacts with the market, making your trades react slightly differently from other traders so you won't get flagged for copy trading. Remember, prop firms don't just want all the same trades because of the fact that it increases their risk to those type of strategies. So if we look at the chart that was generated during this backtest, we'll see how active the bot is even on a moderate setting. Remember, you can trade the trade frequency according to your own specifications. However, on moderate, we'll see that it is really active. Because it was on moderate, it was able to generate the $56,756 in only 24 months, showing me that the bot is really profitable and might be one of the best gold EAs available right now. So if you use some of Wim's EAs in the past, make sure to tell the other viewers about it down in the comments below. I'll be doing some more research on the different options that he has available, so let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. With that, guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching until the end. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the playlist that I've created for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.